Ever wonder why sometimes your AI gives answers that sound super smart and other times it sounds like you're talking to a very polite toaster? Yeah, same. Today, I'm going to show you the one thing that makes the difference and how to use it to make any AI instantly smarter, whether you're using ChatGPT, Claude, a DIY bot, or one of Vendasta's AI receptionists. This is what happens when an AI actually has the right knowledge behind it. Because here's the real secret most people don't know. AI isn't magical, it's reference-driven. Give it the right knowledge and it becomes a genius. But give it nothing, and it tries its best. Bless its heart. And the good news, making AI smart on purpose is way simpler than it sounds. Okay, quick 15-second context to make sure this all makes sense. I'm showing this inside Vendasta, which is an AI-powered customer acquisition and engagement platform. And the AI receptionist, which is behind the web chat you just saw, runs inside Conversations AI, our messaging hub. It's the tool that can greet website visitors, answer questions, qualify leads, and even book appointments. And how it does any of that comes down to, let me hear you say it, the knowledge you give it. So even if you're not using Vendasta yet, stick around, because once you understand how knowledge actually changes the behavior of an AI, you can make any AI instantly smarter. And if you are using Vendasta, this is how you unlock the full power of your AI receptionist. All right, quick behind the scenes on how this actually works, because once you understand the setup, this will all click into place. When you give information to an AI system, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, a DIY bot, or Vendasta's AI receptionist, the very first thing it does is convert all of that text into numbers called vector embeddings. That sounds fancy, but all it means is similar ideas get similar numbers. So car and automobile end up right next to each other. Meanwhile, Apple is off living its best fruity life somewhere far away because it has nothing to do with cars. Good for snacks, bad for oil changes. So now when someone asks, how much does it cost to seal my foundation, the AI doesn't go hunting for that exact sentence. It looks through this number space for anything with a similar meaning. Think pricing, sealing services, materials in this case, and grabs a handful of the most relevant snippets to build its answer. That's the core pattern almost every modern AI uses. Turn your info into numbers, find the closest matches, then answer based on those. And inside Vendasta, we do the same thing, but with your business profile, your website, and your uploaded files. So every time someone chats with your AI receptionist, it's quickly searching your knowledge, pulling out the most relevant bits, and using those to respond accurately to customers in real time. Before we jump into building anything, there is one more thing we need to clear up, because this is where a lot of people get confused. Your AI actually has 3 different brain modes, and they each do something totally different: knowledge, capabilities, and tools. Once you understand the difference, customizing your AI becomes way easier. Knowledge is the information your AI references when answering questions. Think your pricing, your services, your product details, your FAQs, the stuff you want your AI to know. Capabilities are instructions that tell your AI how to behave. Things like always ask for the customer's name, or if someone wants a quote, gather these 3 details first. This is the personality, the logic, the workflow. Tools are the actions your AI can take outside of the conversation, like creating a calendar event, sending something to your CRM, or pulling live data from an integration. That's where the AI employee part really shines. To put this into a real example, let's use our friend Mr. Handy Helper again. If your booking link is stored in your knowledge, your AI can reference it when someone asks how to book. If you add a capability, you can tell the AI, whenever someone asks a question, offer to book an appointment. Now it proactively guides the conversation. And tools are what actually make the booking happen in the calendar behind the scenes. Inside Vendasta, all 3 are managed separately on purpose, because when you want clean, accurate, business-aligned AI behavior, mixing instructions with information is chaos. Keeping them separate helps your AI make much smarter decisions and keeps you in full control of what it does. All right, now let's take everything we've talked about and actually see it in action inside Vendasta. Whether it's over a web chat or a phone call, your AI receptionist pulls information from something called knowledge sources. This is where you tell your AI what it should know about your business. It can pull that information from your business profile, your website, a text snippet you paste in, or files like PDFs and CSVs. Super simple. And if you're using Vendasta, your business profile is already included by default. That's things like your hours, your services, your address, all the stuff your AI needs to know in order to avoid embarrassing itself. Now, quick pro tip, don't feed your AI content that isn't helpful. For example, a lot of websites have tons of blog articles like 5 signs it's time to repair your stairs. And while the SEO team probably loves that, your AI receptionist doesn't need it. So you can exclude paths like blogs or articles to keep its knowledge clean and relevant. A better addition would be things like frequently asked questions or a common misconception your customers have that your team frequently re-educates them on. Now here's the cool part. I asked Mr. Handy Helper, can I seal my foundation in November? And Vendasta's AI receptionist looked at the product data sheet we uploaded, literally just a PDF, found the recommended temperature range and said, nope, November's way too cold. It pulled the right information from the right file at the right time without us having to hard code anything or set up some giant decision tree. And that's the whole point. When your knowledge is accurate and well structured, your AI can give specific business aligned answers in seconds. And just to show you how transparent this is, you can even open the explanation view here in the conversation and see exactly where the AI pulled the info from. It literally highlights the text it used. This is great for quality control and makes it super easy to trust what your AI is telling customers. Now, I want to share with you some golden rules for creating a rock solid knowledge base, the kind that makes your AI receptionist sound confident, accurate, and actually helpful. Start with information you already have: your service descriptions, your pricing sheets, your product PDFs. These are the easiest wins and the fastest way to level up your AI's intelligence. Structured data is your best friend. If you have a spreadsheet or CSV with clean columns and rows, upload it. A well-organized CSV is like giving your AI the answer key. And less is more. You don't need your entire website, your entire blog archive, or 47 versions of the same flyer. Every piece of knowledge is something your AI could actually pull from, so keep it focused on the things that your customers actually ask. And knowledge is for reference, not instructions. Don't try to force behavior with your knowledge base. That's what capabilities are for. Knowledge should only tell the AI what is true, not how to act. And finally, avoid things that change every day. Your daily specials, your last-minute promotions, or anything that requires constant updating. Your AI receptionist does not need to remember your limited time, buy one, get one, super glue event. If you found this helpful and you want your AI to do more than just answer questions like qualify leads, book appointments, and handle conversations, then you're going to want to see what happens when you connect all of this knowledge to Vendasta's AI receptionist. I've got a full walkthrough showing how you can set one up inside Vendasta, and you can watch the full video here, or I've put the link in the description box below. It's the perfect next step to put everything we talked about today into action. And hey, if you want more videos on making AI work for your business without being a tech expert, hit subscribe. I've got a ton of new tutorials coming on how to automate smarter, not harder.